Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of restarting the phone automatically without programs only from our phone settings. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. And thank you from the heart to everyone who does. The first step we do, my friend, is go to the settings. Then, right in the settings search engine, write scheduled operation, then click on scheduled operation, and here you will deactivate this feature, restarting the phone automatically. From here, this is the first step. The second step, my friend, is go back and go to the settings, then click on the settings search engine, then write reset phone, click to reset the phone, then click on reset settings to default settings, then you format the phone for the phone settings without deleting anything. The last step, my friend, is you may have a virus in your phone, so the easiest way to check your phone if there are viruses, go to the Google Play Store and click on the profile icon, then click on Play for protection, then click on the settings icon from here and activate these two features. Then go back and click on the scan to scan the phone for viruses, then go to the interface of your phone, and then click on the system manager, then click on improve to improve your phone, then restart your phone. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.